welcome again. This is Norman Forest Band, the third and final scene. Still at Corpus Christi Catholic Church, Stone Mountain, Georgia, and directed by Andrew Fazackerley. Please enjoy the jazzy sensation. I still remain Amalinze JJ Azi for Sabata Entertainment Reviews. Please enjoy.
Okay, this is the last song. It's called Sweet Sue. Thank you very much. Drive safe. Have a great evening. Hope to see you all soon. Thank you so much.
I see you guys play multiple instruments.
I play a couple.
Yeah, well, you call it a couple, I call it multiple. Now, how do you guys practice all this? You know?
Practicing for me is in the evenings for the most part, because I'm in a university, in a library during the day.
Okay.
So when I get a chance to go home, and this is when I can get my practicing in. If I'm not doing other things, you know, domestic stuff around the house, so that's when I get most of my practicing in on the weekends.
Thank you. Your performance was wonderful.
Thank you.
Good job. What's your name?
My name is Moffett Morris.
Moffett Morgan.
Moffett Morris.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Good. Wonderful.
Well, thank you.
You play multiple instruments.
Yes.
How do you know which one you are
I'm
on?
going crazy all the time.
Wow, you must have some good breath, you know?
It keeps my lungs, you know.
Yeah, good lungs.
shape.
Excellent. What's your name, please?
Marla Feeney.
Marla Feeney?
Yes.
Okay, my name is Amalinze.
Nice to meet
JJ.
you. Nice
Good
to
job, keep it up, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Beautiful performance.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Hello, sir. Wonderful performance.
Thank you.
You're a wonderful drummer.
Thank you.
Wow, how do you do it? I mean, I was holding this camera and my hands were falling off.
Oh no.
How could you be playing all these drums and you still kept your hands on your shoulder?
Well, I mean, I practice.
Is that right?
I just practice. Yeah.
Yeah.
I just practice.
I mean, what's your name, sir?
Emra. Emra Kotan. Yes.
Good job. That was a wonderful performance.
Thank you.
Okay.
I appreciate it. Thanks
Yeah,
for
that was great.
videotaping us.
All
Yeah.
right. Have
Thank
a nice one, okay?
You too.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Safe and
Thank you. So how do you organize these people to come together?
Well, oh, hey.
We say hi.
It's challenging, I tell you, because but they're all friends of mine as well as co-musicians, and we work together on different kinds of gigs together.
Okay.
And so I was able to bring them in the studio to record the album, and then thankfully when I called them to do this, they agreed to do it, and they were very kind to come and do it.
That was a wonderful performance.
Thank you.
And you on your keyboard, I mean, like you, at the time, like you were shocked, you know? Man, that was wonderful. What's your name again? I forgot. Andrew
Fazackerley.
Okay, thank you very much. Yeah. You know, I'm JJ.
JJ, right.
Please
Okay.
keep it up. That was a nice performance from you, okay? Thank you very much. You're a performer too?
Yes, I'm a saxophonist.
A saxophonist?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, yeah, I play tenor, so I play the big one.
Oh, is that right? What's your name?
Tracy Wynn. I'm sorry?
Which group do you play for?
Well, I have my own band.
Oh, you have your own band?
Yeah, and I play all around town. And lately, since the pandemic, it's been really slow, but I'm starting back up. So you can go to my website, tracywynn.com, and then you'll be able to see all about it.
Okay, thank you.
It's me again.
Yes, folks. This is where I draw the curtain. Please subscribe to our channels, push the bell, and give us a thumb up if you wish.